Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will guide you through the process of replacing the charging port on an MSI MS-1582 laptop. This repair can be critical if your laptop is not charging properly. Let's dive right in. Tools required *. 1. Phillips screwdriver, size number 0 and number 1. 2. Plastic spudger or prying tool. 3. Tweezers. 4. Anti-static wrist strap, recommended. 5. Replacement charging port for MSI MS-1582. 6. Isopropyl alcohol and microfiber cloth for cleaning. Step 1. Power down and prepare. Begin by shutting down your laptop completely. Unplug it from any power source and remove the battery if applicable. This step ensures your safety while working on the device. Step 2. Remove the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate and unscrew all the screws on the back panel. Keep them organized, you'll need them later. Once all screws are removed, use a plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover, being careful not to damage any clips. Step 3. Locate the charging port. With the back cover removed, identify the charging port on the motherboard. It will be connected by a few small screws and possibly a cable. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its position. Step 4. Disconnect the charging port. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the charging port. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to it, using tweezers if necessary to avoid damaging them. If you're unsure about the process, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This might be a good option if you'd rather not risk damaging your device. Step 5. Clean the area. Before installing the new charging port, use isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth to clean the area around the port. This ensures a good connection and helps prevent future issues. Step 6. Install the new charging port. Take your new charging port and position it where the old one was removed. Secure it with the screws you previously took out. Make sure all connections are tight and properly aligned. Step 7. Reassemble the laptop. Once the new charging port is installed, carefully replace the back cover of the laptop. Ensure that all clips are in place, and then reinsert and tighten the screws. Step 8. Testing. Reconnect the battery and plug in the power adapter. Turn on your laptop and check if the charging port is working correctly. If it doesn't charge, revisit your connections or consider professional assistance. Don't forget, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to have your device serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair to keep you informed. By following these steps, you should successfully replace the charging port on your MSI MS-1582 laptop. Make sure to take your time and handle all components with care. Thank you for watching, and happy repairing. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.